How a simple ebook helped me win more trades. And hands down, this by far is the best 5-second strategy. Let's get into it. Welcome back everyone to another video where I talk about using the pocket option broker to do binary option trading. Now, if you are new to the channel, stick around, pick up some tips, subscribe, and hit that like button so you can continue to be locked into the information I've been sharing on this channel, helping people increase their win rate when using the pocket option broker, and even showing you how to get your money back if you suffer some losses. You can check out that video right here. So yes, a simple ebook has helped me increase my win rates, but you don't have to take my word for it. Let's look at the comments. I've had a lot of people sending me DMs telling me how they are using them in their trading sessions and they're seeing their wins grow, especially when it comes to doing quick trading, such as the 5-second trades. So yes, they do help when you need some insight on how to approach your decision to take a trade, what to look for, and what to expect. I've talked about using the platform to your advantage, planning out just one trade a day. And the most helpful book I've written by far to this date is the Candlesticks That Win. This was after many nights and hours studying price movement and noticing that the double wick green or the double wick red or the flat bottom red, now these are names I've given to these candles just to make them more understandable to me when I first started, and it's also very helpful for beginners. I also preach to do your research. Candlesticks clearly have names. This is a doji. This is a spinning top. These are pin bars. This is a hammer. I've always encouraged you to start learning about technical analysis and begin to try to identify those trends, candlestick patterns that can alert you to any upcoming reversals or a downtrend. So check the link in the description. I think it's a great site where you can just add it to your educational material. And make sure, don't sleep on Investopedia, a wonderful site to learn from as well. Back to the chart. Price is either going to move up or down or sideways. So my Candlesticks That Win, it speaks on seeing that double wick green in certain positions that I mentioned in the book where you can take that 1-minute trade after it closes. I wrote all of these ebooks and will continue to write more based on my own experience and trying to save people time, making complicated stuff relatable, letting you know what you're getting into and how not to blow your account. Many have reduced their losses, where the ebooks prevent you from jumping in blindly because you saw a live account go from $5 all in to $90,000. I get it. Most people are looking for a strategy or one that they can use so they don't blow their account, at least meet their goals, and then get on with life. So let's talk about the 5-second strategy since I'm hearing back from so many people. I'm going to break it down even further because I don't want anyone to be confused or take a trade they shouldn't have and have this happen. Also, if you want to join the broker and start trading, then sign up with Pocket Options, where you can see that the payouts are 92%, takes minutes to deposit, and get your withdrawals. Okay, so the strategy that I'm talking about, by far, I find is the easiest to understand, is simply the pullback. That's it. Let's look at what I'm talking about because I know many of you were struggling to see what I was trying to point out in the last video. When using the RSI, the 30 line and the 70 line means something, okay? The RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. It's one of the top indicators used by most traders. It simply helps you identify momentum, measuring the quickness and the change within price movements. When the signal, and this is the signal right here, many were asking, But the 30 is the oversold area where we are looking to take a buy going up. And the 70 is an overbought area where we want to take a sell. So if we look at the 30 line, basically what's happening is that the selling has hit a wall and buyers are stepping in at that 30 level, and vice versa for the 70 line. Buyers have held off on buying and it's time to sell. So when we look for the pullback, it is those areas where we can sneak in or even scalp doing a quick 5-second trade. Now, when does this happen? Well, it certainly doesn't happen every time you click on a currency or a commodity or a stock to look for a position. You can do some research beforehand to try and determine the volatility happening with the currencies. Remember the economic calendar that I talked about before? We head over to investing.com where we click on the filter, head to the bottom, click the 3 stars. That will give us the insight on which currencies are going to be volatile for that day. So you scroll back up, and there you go. Any of those with 3 stars, you probably want to avoid because it could reverse your setup. The other thing that you can do is look for trends. Look for an uptrend or a downtrend, either near the 70 or the 30, getting you ready to make a move. Touch, enter, pullback, win. That's it. At least for that strategy, it's the easiest to do, not much to think about. Great for sticking to a plan of a 1 trade a day or whichever goal you have in mind for your daily trading session. So let me show you some trades that I did take, and then we can come back and you'll see exactly what I've been talking about. So that's it. I did the same thing. Wait for it to touch, enter in the pullback, and win. The last one, I pushed up. Here again, if you can feel the candle having a little bit more strength, then go in the other direction, go with it. But overall, that is the simplicity of the entire strategy. But the ebooks over time has helped me as well increase my win rate, build my confidence, and allow me to be more organized when I get into that live account. But I always will stress, even though you'll see people in the comment, oh yeah, you're doing the demo. Well, work the demo before you lose in the live. It's just as simple as that. It's your money, protect it, and try to make the best decisions when you start trading. So to wrap up, let the ebooks prevent your losses, give you informational tips to increase your win rate, or help you simply understand the platform better if you're a complete newbie and you have no idea what's going on. Or you've been at it for a while and you're starting to lose and you just need some new insights and some motivation. That's it for me today. Trade responsible. Don't revenge trade. Only trade with what you can afford to lose. That's it, and I'll see you on the next video.